Welcome to a final episode of Real Estate Wisdom Podcast for 2024. I'm your host Vishal Kapoor, your friend in real estate, and we are about to embark on a journey through the incredible year we had in the world of real estate in Canada. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, I want to express my heartfelt thanks to all of our listeners. Your support has been incredible, and I'm thrilled to announce that we have made it to the top 4 in Feedspot's top 25 real estate podcast list. This achievement wouldn't have been possible without your engagement, your feedback, and dedication to growing your real estate knowledge alongside with us. Of course, I learn a lot in creating these podcasts, sharing this podcast with you, and sharing my wisdom with you. 2024 in review, a year of transformation. What a roller coaster 2024 has been for the real estate market. We've seen significant shifts that have reshaped the landscape for buyers, sellers, and investors alike. But don't forget the realtors as well. Market dynamics and economic factors. The Canadian housing market has been a tale of two halves this year. In the first half, we saw slow activity and softer prices as the Bank of Canada maintained high interest rates. However, the pivot towards a rate cuts mid-year really got the wheels turning. Remember our episode on navigating the interest rates maze? We discussed how the Bank of Canada's rate cuts in June, July, September, and October sparked a remarkable 27% increase in home sales compared to last year. Yes, we have seen a lot of changes. There was also a regional variations, and we discussed about their price trends. We closely monitored market trends across different regions, and the average home prices in Canada reached $6,944.11, increase from the previous year. However, it's crucial to note that this growth wasn't uniform across all markets. Yeah, your neighborhood might have seen something different. Investment strategies, we discussed 2024. We explored various investment strategies to help you maximize your returns in the dynamic market. And a lot of people have seen those opportunities and they become successful. Our episode on seizing opportunities in a shifting market resonated with many of you. We discussed how over a third of real estate professionals saw opportunistic fund strategies as the most attractive option going into 2024. Well, we also delved into which sectors were expected to outperform in 2024. Digital infrastructure, living, residential, and healthcare, life sciences emerged on the top contenders. Of the flip side, offices, retail, and hospitality were predicted to see lower investment demand. And we have seen a lot of even businesses left from Canada. A lot of migration happened from Canada as well. And remember our popular episode on house hacking, your gateway to a real estate investing. We explained or explored how this strategy allows you to live in one unit of a multi-unit property while renting out the others, potentially offsetting your housing cost or even turning a profit. And I think like a lot of you do the second dwelling by creating a basement apartment. Our series on technology in real estate was a massive hit this year. We explored how AI and automation are revolutionizing the industry from property management to our market analysis. Yes, AI had taken over a lot of things this year. We also talk about personal development and mindset. Beyond the numbers and strategies, we focused on personal growth. Our episode on mindset mastery for real estate professionals emphasized the importance of mental resilience in our field. Yes, it was a tough year for a lot of realtors. Now, looking ahead to 2025, as we look to the future, there's a lot to be excited about. I know I get excited about a lot of things. The Canadian Real Estate Association projects home resales to rebound by 9.2% year over year in 2025, with an even stronger recovery expected in the second half of the year. Before we wrap up, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to all our listeners. Your engagement and support have been incredible, propelling us to the top 4 in Feedspot's top 25 real estate podcast list. To our guests and industry experts who have shared their knowledge, thank you for your contribution to the collective growth of our audience. I know we can name a lot. Bill Miller, Brad Miller, Angie Petty-John, Prerna Baweja, Chris, my home inspector, my insurance advisor, my estate planner. I want to thank each and every one of you. Our priority is to provide value to our clients by different means. And thank you once again for making real estate wisdom a part of your growth journey. And here's to an even more successful 2025. Until next time, this is Vishal Kapoor, your friend in real estate, wishing you wisdom in your real estate endeavors and better life ahead. Have a fabulous new year and keep bringing your feedback, your comments, and share our episodes with others who you think can benefit from our real estate wisdom. Really thankful to all of you guys. Have a fabulous, fabulous new year. Bye for now. Disclaimer. The information provided in this podcast is for informational purpose only and should not be considered as financial or investment advice. Consult with your professional before making any real estate decisions.